Hello there. What I've got today is the Union 2134 and also I do have a Chubb 3U114. They're both picked in the same way and they're both 5 gauge, and hopefully I'll be able to pick them both for you today. I'll pick the Union bolt side and then I will pick the Chubb lever side. It's in there nice and steady. So it's just a normal wire. Your average size wire what goes in this one, it's not specially adapted. And I'll start from lever 1 and just work my way through, just giving it little touches. Just having a feel into the lock. Got a little bit movement going. Lighten up on the tension a little bit, just to bring that up. I think lever 2 is in gate. Lever 1's in gate. Lever 3's loose. And we fell into a false set, so we fell into a false gate. Make sure everything's in. So number 1's in gate. I'll come back and check 2 in a minute, but it feels quite solid, so I don't want to lift lever 2 up to fall into a false gate again and then have to go through. So I'll go to lever 1, 2 solid, 3, 4. Come off the rail a bit to get that one. So there's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So I'll go back to lever 2 and just lift slightly by releasing a little bit of tension. And that wasn't holding us up, so we're alright with that. Just making sure. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there we go. We do have it picked. Sorry if you can't see the bolt there. Awkward angle, sorry about that. We will take a look at the levers in a minute. Keep it in shot over there somewhere, and we'll give this one a go now, and hopefully we can get this one picked as well. So it's a similar type of wire, but obviously facing the other way to pick from this side. So again, just having a feel about the lock, feeling for a binding lever. I feel like I'm coming off the rail a lot in these videos, and sorry about the little bit of silence there. Again, just you're looking more for binding levers. So that was lever 4. And then it loosened up. Got lever 3. 2. Pop all the way back to 5. 4. 3. Go check the other levers. I do find that varied tension helps a lot with this. Just giving it a bit of a shake with the tension, and it just seems to knock them into the right place for me. And there we go. We have that one picked as well. So as this one's in the vise, I'll just move the camera. We'll take a look. So this was another one, and the Union one was another one from the list that Chris Evans done of easiest to hardest, and if I recall, this was the 6th. It was like on the list down, and I think it was like this lock, but he did also show this one, which is the Chubb 3U114. Says lever 1, sorry, is a 7, which is the false gate on the bottom. And you've got, can't see that one, I think it's, yeah, a 3 with the false gate on the top. Can't get my fat sausages in. It's a 4. And the anti-pick notch was on the bottom of that one. That's a 2 with a pick notch on the top. And then that'll be a 4 again with the anti-pick notch on the bottom. I'll take a look at the Union 2134. And again, as you can see, the levers are the same. That's a 5 cut with the levers on the bottom. Just to show you there's a difference between them, so there's not much difference at all. Well, they're perfect apart from that's a 5 cut and that's a 2 cut. There's a 1 with the anti-pick on the top. There is a 3 with the anti-pick on the top again. A 4 cut with the anti-pick on the bottom. And there is a 3 cut with the anti-pick on the top again. Sorry about that. Hand results were there. And there you have it. 2 locks, both picked in the same way, but 2 completely different brands of locks. I think they're different brands. Is Union... Never mind. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. It's a lot shorter than the last one. And thanks for watching. Bye for now.